Hello everybody, this is Shiny Understar here, and I'm back at you with another Pokemon TCG pack opening. So, last time was 4 months ago, I think, since I recorded another video. I kind of fell out of Pokemon, wasn't really entertained with it much, so it's kind of why I haven't been going to leagues, have you seen in Trainer TV's league vlogs, and why I haven't been opening packs. So yeah, but here we are with Fates Collide packs. I bought one of every pack art and then one extra. So that's how we're going to be opening it. So let's get into it. If I can open it. See how the codes are. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're all sticking together. That's not good. So we got a Whimsicott, if I can pull it off, Fairyguard, Weezing, oh my gosh, Jigglypuff, Riolu, Deerling, Swinub, Minccino, Team Rocket's Handiwork Reverse, and a Snorlax Rare. Next we got Delphox Break pack card. Hopefully these won't all stick together. Looks like they are. Oh, I felt something good. So we got a Duosion, Mega Catcher, haven't seen that yet, Braixen, oh my gosh, Binacle, Swinub, let's focus that, Riolu, Deerling, Jigglypuff, Scorched Earth Reverse, and a Full Art Alakazam Secret Rare. That's the Secret Rare. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's the Secret Rare. Let's see if he'll focus. Probably not. It says, yep, that's the Secret Rare. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Set that in the back. That's out of 5 packs, just random packs. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, on to the Mega Alakazam pack. Nice. I don't care what I get from here on out. Just, oh my god, I saw something again. Saw another thing. This is crazy. I don't know if I can keep up with this. Hawlucha. Chaos Tower. Altaria Spirit Link, Bronzor. If I can pick up these cards, it'd be nice. Riolu, Jigglypuff, Meowth, Binacle, Reverse Chaos Tower. Oh, that's a nice reverse. I like it. And a Umbreon EX. Oh my gosh. This is an insane pack opening. I have very rarely opened this good of packs in a long time. Maybe that Ancient Origins booster box, that was pretty insane, but yeah, I normally have pretty good pack luck, and I don't know why. Don't weigh cards. I don't. It's a terrible idea. It's just being mean to people that are not weighing cards, making it kind of unfair. So we got a Wormadam, Random Receiver, Kangaskhan, Diglett. Oh, pulled off an extra card. Larvitar, Carbink. This is a nice Carbink. It's got the Safeguard ability. Pokemon EX can't attack it. It's kind of what I've been looking for, actually. So, yeah. Jigglypuff, Riolu, Aerodactyl, Reverse, and a Kabutops. Nice. Didn't expect too much there. And on to our final pack. So let's see if we can finish it off with something real good. I know we already got those two in the background, but let's see if we can finish it off with something really nice. Hopefully we can. But it'd be fine if we don't. Oh my gosh, I don't know why everything's sticking together. We got a Kabuto, Ultra Ball, gosh darn it, Shauna, Solosis, Volibee, Coughing, Minchino, Diglett, Delphox Reverse Rare, it's a nice Reverse Rare, and a Mr. Mime. So, here are the highlights of this. We have the Delphox Reverse Rare that we just pulled. I don't know if there are any else Reverse Rares from this opening. I don't think there were, but I'm not too sure. This Umbreon EX, very nice. And this Secret Rare Alakazam EX. That is crazy. Oh, that is beautiful. Well, if you like this opening, please leave a like on this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.